Let's go live with Benro's MeVIDEO LiveStream Accessory Expansion Kit. Expanding your creativity and providing you with amazing versatility. This kit allows multiple devices or accessories to be mounted from a central point. Attach mobile phones, an LED light, audio gear, and stream simultaneously across multiple devices and streaming platforms. Included with this kit is 4 flex arms in multiple lengths, one at 100 millimeters, 2 at 200 millimeters, and 1 at 300 millimeters, all featuring 1/4-20 male threads on both ends. By simply adjusting the flex arm, you can mount your phone horizontally or vertically and shoot whichever orientation you prefer. The kit also includes a mounting hub with a 1/4-20 thread for mounting and 6 built-in 1/4-20 threads. 3 phone holders are also included with built-in cold shoe mounts for small accessories like microphones or receivers. Pair this kit with the rest of the Benro MeVIDEO LiveStream accessories to expand your content even further. For more info on other live streaming accessories, check out the other product videos. Benro's MeVIDEO LiveStream Accessory Expansion Kit is the perfect addition to a content creator's toolbox. What are you waiting for? Let's go!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more product videos, tips and tricks, service videos, influencer content, you name it, subscribe to our YouTube page.